Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physiology MBBS. We'll cover effective strategies to help you grasp complex topics and excel in your exams. Physiology can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it becomes much more manageable and even enjoyable. Focus on understanding the why behind physiological processes, not just the what. This foundational knowledge is crucial for your entire medical journey. To truly master physiology, active learning is essential. Don't just passively read, engage with the material. Drawing out pathways helps solidify your understanding, making it easier to recall during exams. Discussing challenging topics with peers can offer new perspectives and fill in knowledge gaps. Remember, consistent effort and varied study methods yield the best results for long-term retention. Hey everyone, quick pause. If you're finding these tips useful for your MBBS physiology studies, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And speaking of staying focused during long study sessions, a quick recommendation: staying hydrated is crucial. The Oala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your water cold and accessible. You can find a link to it and other helpful deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Choosing the right resources is vital for your physiology studies. Standard textbooks provide comprehensive details, while online resources can offer different explanations and visual aids. Don't underestimate the power of consistent revision. It's key to moving information from short-term to long-term memory. Schedule dedicated review sessions to revisit older topics and ensure you're building a strong, cumulative knowledge base.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.